There he is.
What's different with the R-Spec?
It has KYB remote reservoir shocks.
Shocks?
Yeah, pretty much. The only difference is shocks.
That and the dump bed.
Well, that's the X2. All the X2s have a dump bed. But the R-Spec has the better shocks. Alright, back to two-wheel drive.
Welcome to part 5 of our meet and greet rides here at Majestic Trails. Again, we are going to hit some more difficult trails today. Well, supposedly difficult. We hit the black trail here at Majestic Trails, but it's not too awful bad. We were actually kind of disappointed, but that's beside the point. We still had a good time here riding today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you at the end.
I saw the light, I've been baptized by the mud in my face and the dust in my eyes. Born to ride again, I'm a Yamaha man. That was just all right on top of my head. Behind us.
Well, ever since we got to the top of the hill, they weren't behind us.
That's because we floored it. I think it's getting dustier. We might have got held up on that steep hill.
I'm thinking the little guy did.
Maybe they went like straight at the top or something. Nothing coming, Dan?
Unless they went down that way.
No, I don't think they would have. How far back was that?
Decent amount. I think right back there is the turn where it comes down off the hill. Wouldn't surprise me if he got stuck on the hill.
Yeah, I was just wondering if he had trouble coming up the hill. Especially if he had gotten a wet belt. And it started to slip. Well, we got separated from Jason number 3 in the CF Moto and his buddy in the other CF Moto. I ran back to an intersection. That's why I'm out of breath. It's one of the downsides to one-way trails. But there's an intersection back there that I thought Jason was right behind me on. But he must have been far enough back he didn't see us go the way they went because they're nowhere in sight. So Jason, if we don't meet up with you again on the trail, apologize for not finding you. Hopefully we'll meet back up here somewhere not too far away. I went back to the hill climb, they're not there, so I bet you they came up and went up over the other way. We should have stopped there at the top and wait for them, but that would be a bad place to stop.
In their room.
Yeah, so we'll keep going, see if we run on to Jason number 2.
Where'd the other guy go? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh!
Broke it.
Oh no!
Yeah, he didn't say what.
So unfortunately, Jason's CF Moto kind of bit the dust here. We thought maybe it was just a broken drive shaft or something, but once we got to the top of the hill and we got to looking, he could still move it in 4-wheel drive. So I kind of got underneath and got to looking, and lo and behold, we found differential oil. And what had happened is his rear differential completely just grenaded. It was done. So his riding was pretty much done for the day. We towed him back. He and his buddy and the other CF Moto loaded up. Jason number 2 also had to go for the day. So that meant it's pretty much just back to me, Dan, and Seth, just out gonna cruise the trails by ourselves, which means there was no limit on to how fast we could rip. So we really had a good time riding with these guys, but we had just as good a time here by ourselves for the remainder of the day.
We got a racer coming
rear shock's up a little more for you, Dan. How's that sound?
Yeah, a little fatter back here. You might want to replace your battery while we're sitting.
Yeah, I was going to. We ran away from that Razor.
That's the girl that just unloaded before us.
Yeah, she shouldn't make that turn.
I think she.
What happened to the rest of her family?
I think she's upset that we kind of lost her back there. So according to that map, we are here. And the C's where we went before. That's where these black ones are.
C4.
Yeah,
But that is a fist.
I'll give you a fist bump. Yeah. Which way you want to go? Pick a direction.
We got all day. So.
Left. Actually, straight.
Let's go right.
There you go.
What a smart aleck. I'm doing right. It's been close. Road's closed. Let's go that way. Road's closed.
I don't care.
Just close your eyes and go whichever way it takes you.
We're right into a tree, so I can guarantee it. Straight. Alright, so we're back to here. And there's no trails that other way, right? Nah, this is the only way to go. Alright, now last time, did we go which way?
I think we went to the right.
I think we did too.
I don't know if we ever did go left.
No, he started to go that way, but then went this way. Because I remember him pulling over into this. So let's go. Let's let these guys go where they're going. They're going that way, okay. So let's go this way. We'll just see where it goes. Yeah, we went the other way.
Yep. Oh, black. That's what we wanted.
Hill climb bypass.
To the right. To the right.
Do we want to check it out? We can't come back.
Yeah, we can. That'll be alright. How many people actually?
Yeah, we'll check it out.
If anything, it's downhill, not uphill.
If it's too big for us, we can turn around. I don't know.
Yeah.
That big a deal.
We'll just say we got on the wrong trail and didn't really want to. Hey, oh, that's a guy.
Watch the fire right here. I don't know.
You said good? Oh, right there. Huh. Okay. Was we up this once before?
Yep.
It feels familiar. That's still black though, right? Uh-oh, the ground just disappeared. Oh.
I'm anticipating something.
So this is C7. We won't go full diff lock, but we'll go four-wheel drive. Oh. You guys want to go? Give them a minute. it doesn't look that bad actually. Can't go that way. I guess we have to go this way. Tasty! Oh, God. I remember that from last time, but...
Thanks for joining us on this part of the meet and greet ride here at Majestic Trails. Probably be one more part to this and it'll finish us up. And then we can move on to the next meet and greet ride. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe before you guys leave. Check out the ways you can support Appalachian Mountain Riders through Patreon, buying my merch, or checking out the parts and tools I have listed on my Amazon influencers page. And I hope to be able to see you guys out on the trail in the future. So again, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on riding.